People worldwide have often been gifted with incredible meteor showers that fill up the night sky with shooting stars. The Greeks and Romans believed that the appearance of these falling stars were signs that something good or bad was about to happen. But have you ever wondered where meteor showers actually come from? Welcome to the Daily Galactic. Today we're talking about the breathtaking phenomena that are meteor showers. Have you ever seen a meteor shower? Let me know in the comments below. Firstly, what are meteor showers? They're rare celestial events in which a large number of meteors are seen plummeting down to the Earth from a single region of the night sky. These meteors are streams of cosmic debris that enter the Earth's atmosphere at extraordinarily fast speeds and all follow the same parallel trajectories. Luckily for things on the surface of Earth, most meteors in a shower are smaller than a grain of sand, so a vast majority of them burn up in the atmosphere and never make it to the surface. Occasionally we have intense meteor showers. These are usually known as meteor outbursts or meteor storms and can contain at least 2,000 meteors per hour. These meteors come directly from comets, which are made from both icy and rocky materials. When the icy material warms as it approaches the sun, it sublimates, creating water vapour that drags along dust, sand and small rocks out into the tails of comets. Every single time that a comet swings past the sun on its long orbit around, a certain quantity of meteoroids are shed from the comet and get spread out to form what's called a meteoroid stream, or a dust trail. If you would like to learn more about comets and what they are, then be sure to check out my video on them. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check out after this video. If this meteoroid stream lies within the trajectory of Earth's orbit, a meteor shower will occur as the Earth passes through it. The powerful gravitational pull of the planets throughout the solar system will determine whether these trails intersect the Earth's orbit. Most years, Earth misses a lot of the trails, but some years, the Earth is showered by meteors. These dust trails can often evolve in various and complicated ways. Some that are products of repeating comets often end up sinking into resonant orbits with Jupiter or even some of the other large planets. This means that a certain number of revolutions will equal a certain number of revolutions for the other, and if this happens, a component of a meteor shower called a filament is created. Another effect that can happen to meteoroid streams are if they run a close encounter with a planet. Some meteoroids may not impact with the Earth's atmosphere and end up curving around the Earth, either having their orbits accelerated or decelerated depending on whether their orbit around the Sun becomes longer or shorter. This has an effect on the stream which results in gaps throughout the trail. Solar wind and radiation pressure can also have drastic effects on meteoroid streams. More massive objects aren't affected much by this, but smaller, less massive particles are pushed into orbits further out from the Sun, essentially creating two different streams of different sized objects. This is why some meteor showers are full of bright, large meteors, and others are full of much fainter meteors. Over the hundreds of years that they orbit around in space, the stream eventually becomes much more spread out and develops into a much wider stream. The meteors that we see from these streams are part of the annual showers. Earth encounters the streams every year at almost the same rate. So now we know where meteor showers come from within the solar system. But where do they come from our perspective here on Earth? Well, this is called the radiant point, and it's a different region of the night sky for every meteor shower. Because all particles within a meteor shower are travelling in parallel paths and at pretty much the same velocity, they all radiate from a single point in the night sky. This is due to perspective, similar to how parallel railroad tracks disappear into the distance at a single point. Where this radiant point is actually determines what the name of the meteor shower will be, and they're almost always named after the constellation that the radiant point is in. For example, the most visible meteor shower is usually the Perseids, named as such because they originate from the constellation of Perseus. This fixed point travels along the night sky as the Earth turns on its axis, just how stars travel across the night sky. In case you find yourself trying to watch a meteor shower, the best time is usually just before dawn, because the moving radiant point is at its highest point in the night sky. So there you have it, everything you can need to know about meteor showers and where they come from. Thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video, and be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed. If you have any questions about anything space related, be sure to drop them in the comments, and I'll be sure to reply. Don't forget to subscribe to catch my new videos coming this week. See you soon.